All right, today I am going to be making Firebowl Ramen Spicy Beef Flavor. It's new, that's what it says, from Maruchan. Said with a little bit of French accent that I possess. Absolute goodness. All right, so this right here is supposed to be Firebowl. Spicy. Absolute goodness. Let's look at the directions so I figure out how to cook this right here. Never cooked this recipe before, so I'm gonna need a little bit of guidance. All right, so it has pictures. I like pictures better than words. So it says, pour, add water, 4 minutes. 5, add seasoning. All right, I'm gonna read a little bit of the directions right here. It says, remove lid and the 2 packets inside. Open packet 1, sprinkle the dried garnish onto the noodles. Fill container to the inside line with room temperature water. I have room temperature water right here. I'm going to use that. Smell this. Come up the screen. Smell the room temperature water. Absolute goodness. All right. Set that to the side for 1 hot Firebowl minute. All right. So come back over here. Microwave uncovered for 3 minutes on high. Leave in the microwave for 1 minute. Cool. That's a lot of instructions to make some ramen noodles. Absolute goodness. All right, handle carefully afterwards. Open packet 2 and pour soup flavor. Hope I don't have the corona. Absolute goodness. All right, so pour 2 and pour the soup. Stir, gently stir until evenly mixed. Then enjoy. Absolute goodness. So let's go ahead and do this. I think I can remember what they said. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Peel back the wrappertation. All right, peel back the other lidation. All right, come up here, smell the goodness of the ramen. Smells good. All right, so here's packet number 2. So I'm going to save this for the end. That's a big packet right there. Absolute goodness. I'm going to save this for the end. So I'm going to set this to the side. Then I'm going to get this right here, packet number 1. What's the bottom right here? That's some crunchies at the bottom. I'm going to try some of the crunchies at the bottom. Absolute goodness. So, according to the instructions, says open packet 1, sprinkle dried garnish. Okay, gotcha. So I'm gonna go ahead and take packet 1, and I'm going. Let me zoom in really quick so you can see the flavoration that I'm about to put on here. Absolute goodness. A little close, but should be practicing social distancing, but not from my ramen noodles. Absolute goodness. So I'm gonna sprinkle packet 1 on here. And then I'm going to pour the room temperature water up to that line right there. Just gonna get this. Pour the room temperature all the way up to the line. Absolute goodness. All right, so let me zoom out. And then I'm gonna put this into the microwave for 3 minutos. Absolute goodness. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 3 minutos. Take this, put it in, center, Firebowl Ramen Noodles, spicy beef flavor. All right, so come up here. Let's see, where's the 3 at? 3 minutos and start. And I'm going to reach in here and get my ramen noodles. Let it sit for about a minute. Look at this, absolute goodness. So I'm gonna set it down right here. And then I'm gonna add the seasoning. All right, so I'm gonna add the seasoning to it. This is packet number 2, the flavoring packet. Absolute goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, all right? And then pour, this is the fireness, the flavoration. Pour that pack. Wow, now that wasn't Corona there. That was a spicy from the fire noodles. All right, absolute goodness. Gonna go ahead and stir this up. Stir it up. Wow, this is really strong. I can smell the fire. I hope you guys are prepared for this. It's fogging up my glasses. Wow, some really strong stuff right here.